Alright, so hi guys, welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new, today I am at the Grand Palladium Resort and Spa. I will be to the Lady Hamilton side. So this resort has two sides. Anyways, I decided you guys stay on, you have access to all the property. To book this resort, go over to Serene Travel. Their link and everything will be down in the description. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. So let me show you. This is Jamaica lobby because they said that I had to walk through the Jamaica lobby in order to go to the Lady Hamilton lobby. So this is basically how the outside of the lobby looks. Yes. So yeah, this is the Jamaica side. I don't know. Here it is. One thing I love about Grand Palladium, it's very spacious. Yeah, like literally though. And I hear water already. Wait there. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. So this is the Jamaica lobby. So guys, like the first thing I see when I just head into the lobby, I'm currently in the Jamaica lobby, is the water part. This is very beautiful. So guys, here's a good view of the, I'm actually going to go down there. So I am just currently heading to the Lady Hamilton side. And a key thing to know, this has one of the, well, it is the biggest pool in the Caribbean. Grand Palladium has the biggest pool. Yeah. Oh, here's a part of it. Oh my god, look at tranquility at its best. I love this. Biggest pool in the Caribbean. Excellent. Yeah guys, like me literally turn I don't know if I right place because this place is so big. Like I'm trying to find the Lady Hamilton lobby. I'm 100% sure so I'm here, so but I'm give up, I'm stressed out.
You are stressing me out, and I have high blood pressure, I have anxiety problem.
Where's the Lady Hamilton lobby? So guys, I believe that this is now the Lady Hamilton lobby. So like guys, upon walking in, the customer service is good. Like I don't have a problem with it. However, it is not out of the ordinary. I understand, like, yeah, it is just normal, professional, basically. So that's what I'm getting so far. So I'm just currently waiting on them because I'm currently only seeing 2 persons at reservations to check in, and so I'm basically waiting until it's clear up. Look at this place though. It has a lot of space. I love it. So guys, this is basically the view from the upstairs. This is a bar upstairs, and upstairs is also the lobby. It's beautiful. The Grand Palladium Resort. Okay, so guys, this is the Jamaica restaurant. It's open during the evening, so for dinner basically. It's very beautiful. Guys, what I love is that Grand Palladium, the tranquility and the serenity of the environment is just peaceful, as the word states. So guys, this is basically a teen lounge on the property. Can come in here to play games and so forth. In here is basically for teenagers. Guys, so let's take a look inside of the Grand Palladium Sports Bar. So what I really love is the dark theme. The sun was clear outside, the day was clear, but the theme remained the same. So guys, over here is basically by the pool and so forth. So over there they usually have netball and so forth, but due to the fact that rain was there, so that couldn't play on the day. Down is here on the beach, very beautiful. There's the jerk hut, the Grand Palladium. So guys, this is inside of the Grand Palladium Spa. If you want to book here, just go over to Serene Travel, link is down in the description. The spa is very beautiful. Even if you are not staying at the resort, we have spa passes available, so you can just go over there and enjoy the spa. So for those who are on vacation and want to keep your fitness maintained, they have a gym on the property. So this is the front of the spa, and this is a private area basically. So this is very mesmerizing. So guys, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos. Yeah, tell a friend with a friend with a never you know the drill already. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching.